Hello, this is Lin from Giant Metal Technology Limited Company. Our company was founded in 1992. We mainly produce kinds of metal fences such as 3D bending fence, chain link fence, high security fence, metal fence, temporary fence, and so on. Today, I will introduce the chain link fence in details for you. The chain link fence, also named diamond wire mesh fence and cyclone wire mesh fence. It can be widely used in many situations such as park, garden, farm, industry, road beside, courtyard, and so on. Of course, you can use it anywhere as your detail requests. Okay, next, I will introduce the components and popular size of the chain link fence. For this sample, we can see the components are chain link mesh rows, end post, line post, top rail, sleeve, rail end, brace band, tension band, flat bar, tension wire, wire tightener. If you want to improve the security of the fence, you can also equip it with the barbed wire and razor wire on the top of the fence. We will also need the single arm and double arm to fix them. For this sample, it is a galvanized surface treatment. We also have PVC coated one. For the galvanized one, we have two levels of quality. The normal zinc coating is around 30 to 50 mg per square meter. The high-level zinc coating is around 200 g per square meter. The high zinc coating surface treatment has a higher anti-corrosion ability and also has a higher cost. Normally, we will set 30 meters as one unit of the fence. The end post, the line post, the post distance is 3 meters. That means we will set a post every 3 meters, and the length of the top rail can be same as the post distance. The post cap is to prevent rainwater from entering the post. It can prevent the post from rusting. The brace band is to connect with the rail end, and the rail end is to connect with the top rail. If you prefer the sleeve, it can connect the left side and right side top rails in the middle. The tension band is to connect the mesh and the flat bar, so the mesh is not easy to move. Normally, we will set a line of tension wire on the bottom of the fence. By the way, we will also need the wire tightener to connect the tension wire, make it straight and tight enough. About the wire tightener, we have two types, the normal one and the heavy-duty one. It depends on the thickness of the tension wire. If you need barbed wire and razor wire for the fence, we will need single arm and double arm to fix them. Normally, we will set 3 lines of barbed wire like this. Okay, next, I will introduce the popular size of the chain link fence in details. The popular size for the chain link mesh. Normally, the mesh size can be 50 by 50 mm or 60 by 60 mm. The wire diameter can be 2.5, 3, 3.5 mm. The height of the mesh should be according to the height of the fence, and normally the row length can be 5 meters, 10 meters, and 15 meters. As when we load the fence products, we need to move the mesh manually, so the mesh cannot be too heavy. Let's pay attention to the edge of the mesh. Normally, we have the twisted edge and knuckled edge. For this sample, it is the knuckled one. It can prevent fingers from hurting when you install the fence. For the end post, the standard size is 60 mm and the thickness of the post can be 1.5, 1.8 and 2 mm. For the line post, the size can be 48 mm, the thickness can be 1.5, 1.8 and 2 mm. The real end, the size is 32 mm and thickness can be 1.2, 1.5 and 1.8 mm. Normally, the end post will be 20 cm higher than the line post. All the brace band and tension bands only need to be used on the end post. By this way, we can save much cost. For the flat bar, the width can be 20 mm or 25 mm. The thickness can be 4 mm or 5 mm. The length of the flat bar should be according to the height of the fence. For the tension wire and the tie wire, we normally do it as 2.5 mm. We normally use the tie wire to connect the top rail and the mesh, and connect the line post with the mesh. On the bottom, we will use thin nails to connect the mesh with the tension wire, so that we can make sure the fence is flat and stable enough. If you also need barbed wire and razor wire, the standard size of the barbed wire we have 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3 mm wire thickness, and the row length can do from 150 meters to 500 meters. We also have many types of razor wire. The most popular one is BTO 22. If you prefer other types, that is also available. All the sizes and types can be customized. In addition to the fencing products, we can also provide gates for customers. We have single gate, double gate, and sliding gate. If you also need them, please feel free to tell us the size you need. We will help to design and provide the best solution for you. Okay, this is our introduction for the chain link fence. Our factory mainly produces for kinds of metal fences. OEM and ODM are welcomed. We can provide one-stop fencing solutions. So if there's any inquiries, welcome to contact us for more details. And welcome to visit our factory. Thank you.